If you've deleted records such as customers, suppliers, products, invoices and orders, we recommend that you compress your data files afterwards. It's a simple process and we recommend that you take a backup before you run it. The time it takes depends on the size of your data files, the specification of your computer, and also whether you run over a network. If you do run over a network, if possible, it's recommended that you complete the process from the server, as it'll be quicker than running from the client PC. To save time, I'm not going to run through the backup routine. I'll go straight into the compress option instead. Now, if you run a multi-user version of Sage Accounts, you'll need to get everyone to log out before you can access this option. So to access the compress option from the Accounts desktop, open the File menu, choose Maintenance, and then from the File Maintenance window, top right hand corner, click Compress Data. The Compress Data Files window appears and you'll see that the Compress All Data Files checkbox at the top is ticked. Now, if you only want to compress specific areas, you'll need to take the tick out of that checkbox at the top, and these other options then become active. Now, initially all of the boxes are selected and you'll need to remove the ticks from any areas that you don't want to compress, so that only the areas that you want to compress are then ticked. Once you've made your selection, so what we'll do is I'm just going to select this checkbox at the top to compress all areas, and then at the bottom you click Compress. Now, it's very quick on mine. On yours you might get a progress bar. The time it takes really just depends on the size of your data files and which areas you're actually compressing. But once it's complete, you'll get a message saying data compression complete. You click OK, you can then close out, back to the desktop, and that's the process complete.